Good morning, everyone, and good late morning, everyone. It is, and welcome. This is Jeffrey's regular channel page on this Saturday, November 19th, 2022. We're just letting the Erie and Crawford residents know that the winter storm watch for Erie and Crawford counties has been canceled, so that's good news to report. The bad news but the bad news is there is another weather update. It just popped up. It is a lake effect snow warning. We'll have that here in a little bit. Will be in effect for Erie and Crawford counties. We'll have that here coming up on the next video here on the regular channel page. But before we do that, before I tell you why did the winter storm watch was canceled, remember, if you haven't already, sort of subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube, along with Jeffrey the Train Expert's YouTube channel. We got 24 subscribers on the regular channel page, and we got over 400 videos, or excuse me, 500 videos on YouTube of the holidays and occasions, semi trucks, the garbage trucks, weather updates we're doing now, um, sports recaps, and and pumpkin drawings and Christmas lights, all that good stuff, all galore at Jeffrey's regular channel page. Check it out. Make sure if you haven't already, sort of subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. We got we got over 700 videos. Or no, we have over 1,300 videos of trains and trainless videos on YouTube, like of the of the like the Norfolk Southerns, the CSX, OC&T, uh, Bessemer, Canadian Trains, Union Pacific, Western New York, and B&P, and Amtrak to enjoy. All trains galore at Jeffrey the Train Expert. Check it out. Yeah, they just decided that the National Weather Service decided to cancel that winter storm watch. It's because they're calling for that lake effect snow. It's going to be in effect until from late tonight into tomorrow. It was supposed to call for that winter storm watch in effect for Erie and Crawford counties from 7 p.m. tonight till 7 p.m. tomorrow night. But they decided to cancel it because there's another weather update. We'll have it here coming up shortly here on the regular channel page. But we got yeah, when they decided to cancel that watch. They did cancel that last winter storm watch, and they changed it to a winter weather advisory the last time. And 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 what I heard on the Weather Channel, it said about there'll be a wet lake effect snow warning. But just like yesterday, I got that winter storm watch. It was supposed to be in effect. I put it in road for Crawford County only, but they're also called for that the same watch for Erie counties as well. And it was supposed to be for Crawford and northern Erie counties, because southern Erie's under that lake effect snow warning. And and they had a lot of Operation Weathers yesterday around Erie County between the Winter Storm Watch, Winter Weather Advisory, and they did get a special weather statement for Erie and Ashtabula counties. And and when did they change that winter weather advisory? Is it in effect? Is this when did they now is are they calling for a winter weather advisory, or are they calling for a lake effect snow warning for Crawford and Erie will have here coming up? It'll be a lake effect snow warning, not a winter weather advisory. Just just a lake effect snow warning. Is it a watch or warning? It's a warning. Oh, I thought I was supposed to call for the watch. It was supposed to call for the watch, but the watch is canceled. How many this is are they calling for um are they when did that watch change? Was it till 7? Is it late tonight, or was it first thing in the morning? I believe it's first. I think it's first thing in the morning when they changed it. Yeah, first thing in the morning. I didn't think it wasn't late. I didn't think it was late last night. It has to be it has to be uh it has to be first thing in the morning. I didn't think it was late last night. Oh, I see. Yeah. How many operation? When is the last? Have we ever gotten a lake effect snow warning on your list of operation weathers? Good. Um, I'm gonna take a look right now. I got. This is one. How many operation weathers two we have right now? 116. 100. This is our 117th weather update video, and this is the second straight cancellation. Oh. Possibility we'll have a wind chill advisory by tomorrow because as I heard on there that the wind chills are supposed to be very cold. I don't have a lot of Operation Weathers in a premiere anyway, so. No, I don't. This is going to be my first ever lake effect snow update we'll have here. Excuse me. The only things I got on there was the winter storm watches and warnings and winter weather advisories. But I never got a lake effect snow on there. So. Alright, I think there is another weather update. I seen it on there. On there. So that's gonna. So we're gonna get off here again. The winter storm watch for Erie and Crawford counties, excuse me, has been canceled. So that's good news to report. The bad news is there is another Operation Weather we're going to do coming up next here on the regular channel page. That will be the lake effect snow warning. And I checked out of the 116 weather updates I've been doing. None of it's been a lake effect snow warning. So this is going to be my first ever lake effect snow warning in effect for Crawford counties right here on our page. So, but we're gonna get off and we'll get back on with the next weather update. That will be the lake effect snow warning in effect for Erie and Crawford counties. Talk to you later.